Hi guys, today we talk about Wix.com and how to create a logo from Wix.com. So create your logo with the Wix logo maker. Build trust and grow your brand with your own logo. Let's scroll around and here you can see why choose Wix logo, high resolution logo, print ready file, social media kit, brand guide, and scroll around. And here we can see what you can design here and scroll. Your logo is just a few clicks away. So up that page, get it now. So create a logo yourself and hire a professional designer and tell us about your brand and get a customization logo in minutes and get matched with a professional designer to create custom logo for you. So I create myself and I just create a logo yourself. Just click it. Okay, here you can sign up to Wix logo maker. Already have an account, and here you need to put your Gmail and type your Gmail password and again password and then sign in. And it's if you log in your Gmail, if you take a logo, make a logo free for this website. So here I type my Gmail. I am not robot. Traffic light. Select the traffic light and verify and log in. Okay, start your design your logo, add the name of business and organization, and here you will put your enterprise name, and then it also added the slogan. It is optional, and here I type my organization name. What's your logo for? Add your business and arrange the stick and get the best option for you. And art and photography. I also tech related and technology and blog. So click in and next. And how should your logo look and feel? And it is creative. Next. Which of this logo do you like better? And I don't like either of them, or skip. And Amazing answer, it is processing for make a logo and it takes the time. And yeah, choose a logo to customize, and if you see the result up here, and you can see the whole result in part by part. Page you want to is earn a lot more. And if I choose any theme and then I customize these things, okay, I choose this, and you can see the outside or look over this hair. and you can customize your text, icons, shapes, uploads and background. And here you can change the font, text and color.